पानामाको जङ्गल सानो हेर न यहाँनिर बाबा हिँड्ने बाटोमा त पुरै रिभरै रिभर भएछ नि त सो मच वाटर हेर न Hello and good morning. It's 8:15 early in the morning. This is my route to reach Gunpowder Falls State Park. There is a straight trail, so I'm gonna hike for maybe 6 to 7 hours. I'm gonna come back from this way all the way to the Wells Fargo Bank right here. It will take me around 1 hour, so in total it will be something like 6 to 7 hours. This is the weather today. It's 21 already. It's going to be 29. Always better to walk in the shades. Basically, I'm not using any UV protection cream like sunscreen, so I always prefer to walk in the shades. It's a lot of wood. It's a Dollar General. Excuse me. Do you sell hats?
Yes.
What is it?
I'll show you.
It's a sunny day. It's going to be 31 today. Ah, perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Still a hot day. The village at Gunpowder Falls. So this is it. This is the Gunpowder. It took me something like it's 1 hour and 5 minutes only. A lot less than what I was expecting. Enter at your own risk. You're going to swim. It's on your risk. Hi. So 9:52. And this is the thing I've been waiting for. The view of the river. Wow. Look at this. You can swim it, but it's on your risk. You can swim here. It's nice. जङ्गलतिर हो जङ्गलतिर पानामाको जङ्गल म विदेश गइसकेँ नि सर विदेश गइसकेँ नि हो म त युएस आइसकेँ नि ल बाई And I've ridden back to the main trail. सानो हेर न यहाँनिर बाबा हिँड्ने बाटोमा त पुरै रिभरै रिभर भएछ नि त so much water heर न Now I have to walk through these woods हेर त fallen trees देख्यौ Oh my goodness हेर न पुन्टे पुन्टे रिभरमा कसरी हिँड्ने होला नि यस्तोमा अनि यहाँ हेर न यहाँ रोजको ट्रीहरू पनि छ कि यस्तो काँडै काँडा छ कुन स्टोरी No one is around here. I'm the one and only. I don't know why people are not coming on this trail right now. No one is hiking other than me. Nice water, nice weather. Fully shaded. You don't even have to wear your sunglasses. Solo hiker. So it's been almost like 2.5 hours of walking. including 15 minutes break. Everything seems quiet here. No rush, still no one. Still I'm the only one to hike in this forest. And I see a transition here. Oi, nada. Aynen. I'm already on Layer Road. This is the end of my hiking in Big Gunpowder Falls, and it's a wrap for me right now. Bye bye.